5 reasons adding lime to your garden changes everything, and why most gardeners overlook it. If you've ever felt like your plants should be doing better, healthier leaves, bigger harvests, stronger growth, but something just isn't clicking, well, you're not alone. A lot of gardeners pour in compost, fertilizers, and endless effort, yet still don't get the results they expect. Here's the truth most people miss. It's not always about what you add, it's about what your soil allows, and that's exactly where lime comes in. On the Soil Science Garden, we don't just garden, we understand the why behind plant growth. Lime isn't some trendy hack or shortcut. It's one of the oldest, most powerful soil amendments used by farmers for generations. When used correctly, it doesn't just improve your garden, it transforms it from the ground up. Let's dig into the 5 game-changing reasons why adding lime to your garden can completely shift your results, and how you can start using it like a pro. Lime fixes soil pH, the hidden key to everything. Let's start with the foundation, soil pH. Most gardeners don't test it, don't think about it, and don't realize how much it controls. But here's the reality. Even if your soil is packed with nutrients, your plants might not be able to absorb them if the pH is off. When soil becomes too acidic, which is, honestly, pretty common, especially in high rainfall areas, essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and nitrogen become locked away. They're there, but unavailable. Adding lime raises the soil pH, making it less acidic and bringing it into that sweet spot where nutrients become accessible again. Think of it like this. You could be feeding your plants a 5-star meal, but if the door is locked, they'll starve anyway. That's exactly what acidic soil does. Once you apply lime and correct the pH, you'll notice something incredible. Plants suddenly respond. Leaves green up. Growth accelerates. It's not magic. It's chemistry finally working with you instead of against you. For beginners, this is one of the biggest breakthroughs you can experience in gardening. For experienced growers, it's often the missing link behind inconsistent results. Lime unlocks nutrients already in your soil. Here's something that might surprise you. You may not need more fertilizer, you may just need lime. Over time, soil builds up nutrients from compost, organic matter, and past fertilization. But if your soil is too acidic, many of those nutrients stay trapped in forms plants can't use. When you add lime, it changes the soil chemistry in a way that releases these locked nutrients. Phosphorus becomes more available, which boosts root development and flowering. Calcium improves cell structure and plant strength. Magnesium enhances photosynthesis, leading to greener, more productive plants. What this means for you is, instead of constantly spending money on fertilizers, lime helps you get more out of what you already have. Gardeners who start using lime properly often notice that their plants look better even without increasing feeding schedules. That's because the soil is finally doing its job efficiently. This is one of those shifts that separates average gardeners from those who truly understand soil science. Lime strengthens plant structure and health. If you've ever dealt with weak stems, blossom end rot in tomatoes, or plants that just seem fragile, there's a good chance your soil is lacking available calcium. Lime is one of the best sources of calcium for your soil. Calcium isn't just another nutrient, it's essential for building strong plant cell walls. Without it, plants become vulnerable, growth becomes uneven, and fruits can develop serious problems. When you add lime, you're not just adjusting pH, you're actively improving plant structure. You'll start noticing thicker stems that support heavy fruits, healthier leaves that resist damage, stronger roots that anchor plants deeply. And here's something experienced gardeners know. Strong plants are naturally more resistant to pests and diseases. Instead of constantly reacting to problems, lime helps you prevent them at the source by building healthier plants from the ground up. Alright, let's talk about something that, honestly, often gets ignored. Soil structure. Healthy soil isn't just about nutrients, it's really about how the soil feels and behaves. Now, if your soil is too compacted, water just doesn't drain well. Roots, well, they struggle to grow. Air can't circulate properly and, microbial life suffers. Lime actually plays a powerful role here, especially in those clay-heavy soils a lot of us deal with. When you add lime the right way, it helps break up those compacted soil particles, improving both aeration and drainage. This, in turn, creates a more balanced environment where roots can spread easily and all those beneficial organisms can really thrive. And that brings us to the real magic soil microbes. These tiny organisms are responsible for breaking down organic matter, releasing nutrients, and just maintaining soil health overall. But here's the thing. They don't function well in highly acidic conditions. By adjusting the pH with lime, you're creating a welcoming environment for these beneficial microbes. The result? A living, breathing soil system that works continuously to support your plants. This is where gardening shifts from being a lot of effort to real efficiency, where your soil starts doing more of the work for you. Lime boosts yields and overall garden productivity. At the end of the day, every gardener wants results. More growth, bigger harvests, better quality produce. This is where everything comes together. When you fix pH, unlock nutrients, strengthen plants, and improve soil life, the natural outcome is higher productivity. You'll see it in larger vegetables, more abundant harvests, faster growth cycles, and healthier-looking plants across the board. What's powerful about lime is that it doesn't act as a quick fix. It creates a long-term improvement in your garden system. Instead of chasing problems, you're building a foundation that supports success season after season. Many gardeners underestimate lime because it doesn't look flashy. It's not a liquid feed or a miracle spray. But in reality, it's one of the most impactful changes you can make. And once you see the results, you'll wonder how you ever gardened without it. How to use lime the right way, so you don't make costly mistakes. Now, before you rush out and start spreading lime everywhere, let's get something clear: more is not always better. Using lime incorrectly can actually harm your soil, so it's important to apply it strategically. The first step is understanding your soil's current pH. If you can, test it. This gives you a clear starting point and prevents over-application. If your soil is acidic, that's when lime becomes beneficial. Apply it evenly across your garden and work it into the topsoil. It doesn't act instantly. It takes time to adjust the pH, so patience is key. Also remember that lime is not something you apply every week or even every month. It's a long-term amendment, often applied once or twice a year depending on your soil conditions. Another important tip: different types of lime exist, such as agricultural lime and dolomitic lime. The latter also adds magnesium, which can be beneficial if your soil is lacking it. Understanding your soil's needs will help you choose the right type and get the best results. The bigger picture. Why lime changes everything. When you step back and look at the bigger picture, lime isn't just another gardening input. It's a soil correction tool. It aligns your soil chemistry with what plants actually need to thrive. Instead of constantly treating symptoms, yellow leaves, poor growth, low yields, you're addressing the root cause. And that's what makes it so powerful. Gardening becomes less frustrating, more predictable, more rewarding. You start to see consistency in your results, and your confidence grows with every season. This is the difference between guessing and truly understanding your soil. Final thoughts. If there's one takeaway from this, it's this. Healthy plants start with balanced soil, and lime is one of the simplest, most effective ways to achieve that balance, especially if your soil tends toward acidity. It fixes what's holding your garden back, unlocks hidden potential, and sets the stage for long-term success. Whether you're just starting out or you've been gardening for years, this is one change that can genuinely transform your results. If you found this helpful and want more practical, science-backed gardening tips like this, make sure you subscribe to the Soil Science Garden. Share this with a fellow gardener who's struggling with poor yields or stubborn soil. This might be the breakthrough they need. And remember, don't just feed your plants. Fix your soil, and everything else follows.